When you're looking to buy LinkedIn social selling tools, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making that purchase. Many tools on the market promise to help you increase engagement and connect with potential clients, but it's important to separate the best from the rest. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what to look for and what to avoid so you can make an informed decision. The first thing to consider is how user-friendly the platform is. Many tools claim to simplify your LinkedIn outreach, but if the interface is too complex, you'll spend more time figuring it out than actually using it. Tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator might give you advanced features, but some users find it overwhelming, especially if you're just getting started. Look for a solution that's intuitive and easy to navigate. Next thing, let's talk about customization. The best tools allow you to tailor your outreach and follow-up messages, making each interaction feel personal. If you're using a tool that only gives you generic templates, it's not going to drive the kind of results you're after. Personalization is key to building genuine relationships, so make sure your tool allows you to adjust messaging according to the prospect's needs. The third thing to know is about automation. Social selling is time-consuming, and automation is a big draw for many tools. However, some automation features can come off as too aggressive, which can hurt your brand. For instance, overly automated connection requests or messages can easily be flagged as spam by LinkedIn. You want a balance, tools that automate tasks like connection requests or follow-ups, but still allow you to maintain a human touch. The fourth thing you should consider is analytics and reporting. If you can't track the results of your social selling efforts, how do you know what's working? Top tools should offer robust analytics to show you open rates, response rates, and the effectiveness of your outreach campaigns. Look for a tool that provides in-depth data and actionable insights. Next thing, LinkedIn compliance. LinkedIn has strict rules around automation, and tools that don't comply can get your account suspended. Make sure the tool you're considering is fully compliant with LinkedIn's terms of service, so you don't run the risk of losing your account. Be sure to check whether the tool has any safeguards in place to protect you from being flagged by LinkedIn. The sixth thing is customer support. Social selling tools can be complex, and you'll want support when something goes wrong or when you need help setting up campaigns. Look for a service that offers responsive customer support through various channels like chat, email, and phone. Some tools have subpar customer support, so don't assume this part is taken care of unless it's clearly stated. Next up is integration with other platforms. If your CRM or other marketing tools don't work well with your LinkedIn tool, you're going to waste a lot of time doing things manually. Look for tools that seamlessly integrate with popular CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot, so you can streamline your workflows and keep everything organized. The eighth thing is pricing. You'll find a wide range of prices for LinkedIn social selling tools, from affordable options to high-end services that can cost hundreds of dollars per month. Make sure to weigh the features offered against the price. Sometimes, cheaper tools can offer more than you expect, but the most expensive option might not always be the best fit for your needs. Next thing to keep in mind is the ability to scale. If you're just getting started with LinkedIn sales, you might need fewer features, but as your business grows, you'll need a more robust solution. Consider whether the tool can scale with you as your outreach efforts increase, and whether you can add additional users or more licenses as needed. The 10th thing to think about is the tool's reputation. Look up reviews and testimonials from other users to see how well the tool performs in real-world scenarios. Some tools promise a lot, but deliver very little, so check what others have to say before making a decision. The 11th thing is trial offers. Many tools offer free trials, so take advantage of these opportunities to test out the features for yourself. During the trial, pay attention to how well it fits into your existing processes and whether it's meeting your expectations. Don't rush into a purchase before you've had a chance to really try the tool. And finally, while there are many good options out there, it's important to consider if a particular tool is the right fit for your specific needs. It's a good option, but if you want a better solution, check out our recommended tool that you can try for free. You'll get the best of both worlds, powerful social selling features and seamless integration with your workflow. So, before buying your LinkedIn social selling tool, keep these tips in mind to make a smarter, more informed choice.